Welcome to Electrical Preps. So today we are going to calculate the inverse of a given function. I'm going to learn how to solve for the inverse of a given function. And we are going to use this problem to learn how to do that. So we have to find the inverse given f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 on x minus 3. Okay, so our function was given as f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 on x minus 3. Good. So first of all, what we must do is we replace f of x with y. So you can say that f of x is equal to y. So in this case, say replace f of x with y. So it's going to be y is equal to 2x plus 1 x minus 3, like this. The next step, that is 2, you are supposed to swap x and y. So it means that wherever you see x, you put there y, and where you see y, you put x there, or you place with x. So in this case, this y it become x, which is equal to 2. What is here is x, so you need to put y there plus 1 on here is x, so it will be y minus 3, like this. The third step, we have to solve for y. We have to solve for y. It means that we have to make y the subject of this equation. So what we do is to multiply both sides by y minus 3. Okay, so it's going to be x bracket y minus 3, which is equal to 2y plus 1 on y minus 3 multiplied by y minus 3. See? So this will cancel out this one, giving x into bracket y minus 3 is equal to 2y plus 1. Good. So 4, you have to expand the brackets. Okay. So we are going to get x, y minus 3x is going to be 2y plus 1. So this is what we are getting. Now we can group like terms. So we're having x, y minus 3x is equal to 2y plus 1. So you have to group like terms, okay? So you can group the terms with y on one side, since we want to make y the subject. So we are having y here and y here. So you need to group all the y at one side. So we are going to get x, y. We bring this to minus 2y is equal to, then we send this one back to the 3x then plus 1. Good. So we're having all the y at the left hand side. So in this case, we can factorize y outside. So to be y bracket x minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 1. In this case, we want to make x a subject, so we have to divide both sides by x minus 2. So divide by x minus 2, x minus 2. So this one will cancel out this, leaving y is equal to 3x plus 1 on x minus 2. Like this. Okay, so final point, we replace y with f inverse of x. So you say that whenever you see y from here, y should be replaced by f inverse. So it's going to be f inverse of x is going to be 3x plus 1 on x minus 2. So this is the inverse. So if you see this, it means that it is the inverse of f. So inverse of f of x is this. So our final answer is going to be inverse of f of x is equal to 3x plus 1 on x minus 2. So this is our final answer. Okay, where x is not equal to 2. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.